Now let us solve this problem. Solve the recurrence relation using substitution method. T of n equal to T of n minus 1 plus log n if n is greater than 1, whereas if n equal to 1 then 1. Okay. So let us solve this recurrence relation. T of n equal to T of n minus 1 plus log n. Let us assume that this is equation number 1. Next, here we have T of n minus 1. So derive T of n minus 1 formula. Here already we know what is T of n. So in order to get T of n minus 1, in place of n, substitute n minus 1. So T of, in place of n, substitute n minus 1. So n minus 1 means n minus 1 means minus 2 plus log, in place of n, substitute n minus 1. So log of n minus 1. Next here we have T of n minus 2. So derive the formula for T of n minus 2. So T of n minus 2 equal to, already we know what is T of n. So in order to get T of n minus 2, in place of n substitute n minus 2. So T of n minus 2 minus 1 means n minus 3 plus log of, in place of n we have to substitute n minus 2. So this is T of n minus 2 formula. So now let us see the recurrence relation. So which is the recurrence relation that is given? So T of n equal to T of n minus 1 plus log n. We know what is T of n minus 1. So substitute T of n minus 1 formula in equation 1. Then, so in place of T of n minus 1, substitute this equation. So T of n minus 2 plus log of n minus 1. Next remaining one plus log n. So these two terms are nothing but T of n minus 1 formula. So this is remaining term. Let it be equation number 2. Next, we know what is T of n minus 2. So substitute T of n minus 2 formula in equation 2. Then T of n equal to, what is T of n minus 2? T of n minus 3 plus log n minus 2. What are the remaining terms? Plus log n minus 1 plus log n. Let it be equation number 3. So on the final term, kth term. After k number of steps, let us write what is T of n. If we observe the first equation, we have T of n minus 1. Second equation, T of n minus 2. Third equation, T of n minus 3. So likewise, we can repeat the process up to T of n minus k. So this k value is nothing but 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next, if we observe here we have 3, whereas here we have 2. Whereas if we observe equation 2, here we have 2, whereas here we have 1. So here the difference between 3 and 2 is 1. So log of n minus. So how to get 2 from 3? By subtracting with 1. So here what is that? This 3. This 3 is nothing but k value. So what is 2? K minus 1. Next, plus log of n minus. Here k value is 3. But here we have to obtain 1. So how to get 1 from 3? By subtracting with 2. 3 minus 2 means 1. So on. What is the last term? Log n is the last term. So that is equal to, we can write as T of n minus k plus log of n minus k, minus into minus plus 1 plus log of n minus k, minus into minus plus 2 plus so on log n. Okay. So for space constraints, I am erasing this portion. Now here we know the base condition or terminating condition. What is T of 1 value? 1. So now in place of n minus k, if we get 1, then we can substitute 1 value. So for that purpose, for terminating this one, so I am assuming n minus k as 1. assume n minus k equal to 1. So then T of n equal to T of n minus k. T of what is n minus k? 1 plus log of what is n minus k? N minus k is 1. So 1 plus additionally we have one more 1 plus log of what is n minus k? 1. 1 plus additionally here we have 2. So on, this process will be repeated up to nth term. So what is T of 1? T of 1 is 1. So 1 plus log of 1 plus 1 means log of 2 plus log of 1 plus 2 means 3 plus so on log n. Here we have a formula. Log a plus log a plus log b equal to log of a into b. So what is the formula? Log a plus log b equal to log of, so we can multiply a and b terms, log of a into b. So we have logarithmetic formula. So T of n equal to 1 plus, so log of 2 plus log of 3 plus so on log of n equal to, we can write this as log of, so multiply the values. So log of 2 into 3 into 4 so on into n. So T of n equal to 1 plus, here before 2 write 1. Why? Because if we multiply 1 into anything, then we will get that anything as the result only. So we can write this as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 so on into n. So by multiplying with 1, the result won't changes. Okay. 1 plus, so what is this formula? We have n factorial formula. What is n factorial formula? N factorial. Let n is 5. So 5 factorial. How to get 5 factorial? So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Or we can write as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So this is nothing but 1 plus log of n factorial. Log n factorial. So out of 1 and log n factorial, which is maximum? Log n factorial. Log n factorial or log of n factorial. So here the time complexity is order of log of n factorial, or we can write it as, so if we have n factorial, then how we can write that equation? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4, likewise we can write. So n into, so here we have n minus 1, so we can common n, then we will get 1 minus 1 by n. So n into 1, n minus n into 1 by n, n will be cancelled. So 1. Next, if you see here, if you see this term, n is common. So n into 1, n. So how to get 2? So 2 by n. So if you see here, here we have n, here we have n, here we have n. So we can write this as n into n means we can write this as n cube. So n power 3. Whereas if we have n terms, we can multiply up to n terms. So we can write that as n power n. N power n. So we can write this as order of log n factorial. N factorial can be written as n power n. N power n. Here we have a formula. Log a power m equal to m log a. So log n power n equal to n log n. So if it is multiple choice question, then the answer is order of n log n. Suppose if order of n log n is not given, only order of log n factorial is given, then you can choose that answer also. So in this way we can solve this